Hello again. Now that you have understood the portfolio and the history section of the cySync mobile app, let's explore how to receive crypto directly in the Cypherock X1 hardware wallet using the cySync mobile app. Make sure that the account has been added in the cySync desktop app and you have synced the cySync mobile app. Select Receive in the bottom of the cySync mobile app. Choose a wallet in which you want to receive crypto. Choose a crypto you want to receive. This is the receiver address. This address has not been verified with the X1 vault. Use it at your own risk or make sure to verify the address from the X1 vault and the cySync desktop app. You can use this address to receive crypto in your Cypherock X1 hardware wallet directly. In the support section, you can find a support email ID on which you can email us if you face any challenge while using the Cypherock X1. In the settings, you can change the display language. You can also change the cySync mobile app password or remove it. You can see the current version of the cySync mobile app as well. That's all about the cySync mobile app. Take full control of your crypto assets using the Cypherock X1 hardware wallet.